Hi everyone, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie and I cover oily skin, hooded eyes, and beauty. So in today's video, I'm gonna be creating a natural makeup look using Merit Beauty products, and I'm just gonna be keeping it simple by using their foundation, brow, mascara, blush, highlighter, and lipstick products. So I'm super excited to be on Merit's PR list, and this is their second time reaching out to me. And in my last Merit video, I got to try out their holiday set. And as a part of today's natural makeup look, I'm gonna be trying out their new signature lightweight lipsticks that launched February 22nd. So I'm gonna bring you guys in just a little bit closer so we can get started on this makeup look. So let's go straight into the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. I do have it in the color Silk. I did match myself back when I first got it in the winter time when I was a little bit lighter, so I will have to bronze. So the more and more that I use this, I've learned that I like putting it on a bare face. I do have my skincare on, but I just won't use it with primer. I feel like it sits better on my skin. And of course, this foundation is a foundation and it acts as a concealer as well. And I feel like I can get away with just spot concealing on most days, but it's that time of the month and I need more than just spot concealing. I love blending this foundation out with their brush. It is just super duper soft and it blends everything out like a dream. So it's dirty because I've been using it, but you guys, this is like the softest brush that I have ever used. So you can see this foundation is just a little bit lighter than I am. I tried to get a darker shade for the summertime, but my shade is actually sold out on Sephora and the Merit website, so I am just waiting for that to come back in stock. I do need to conceal my under eyes because I am not getting a lot of sleep, so we need that coverage. Now, I don't really need to set this foundation. If you really do need to, I would just get like the smallest brush possible so that way you're not disturbing any of the makeup, and just get your favorite translucent powder and just place it in the spots where you feel like you need it, like where you're gonna crease or where you're gonna get most oily. But to be honest, I don't feel like you really need to set anything. I feel like this does a really good job even with oily skin. So my face is looking a little bit ghostly compared to the rest of my body, so I'm gonna be right back and use my favorite bronzer. Okay, so this is looking so much better now that I have bronzed it up. I love the way this feels on my face. It feels like I'm not really wearing anything and it doesn't look like I'm wearing a lot of makeup. Okie dokie, so let's fix these brows. I'm a little bit embarrassed to tell you guys that I trimmed them a little bit too short. I got a little trim happy. So let's see if the Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade can fix this. I got it in the shade brown. Now, I actually love using this brow product almost on a daily basis. And I love how super easy, super quick this is. It tints and it just kind of styles and puts them in place. So let's see how this goes with these short brows. This is looking so much better already. Let me go ahead and do this one. All right, so I think this definitely did the trick. Looking pretty good. So let's go ahead and bring some color back into the cheeks. I'm gonna be using their Flush Balm Cheek Color in the color Beverly Hills. So I chose this color because this is my natural cheek color. So whenever I do get flushed, you can see my natural cheek coming through the makeup, and it's not gonna look so weird because you're not gonna be seeing two different colors, if that makes sense. So that's why I really, really like this color, because it's my natural color. Now, I do have to warn you guys that upon application, this does feel a little bit sticky, but it does dry down and you'll totally forget that you even have this on. So what I really like about this is that you can put it on sheer, but then it is buildable. If you have a heavy hand when it comes to blush like me, you can definitely build it up and not look like this porcelain doll in the beginning. So I really like that about this. Alrighty, so this is looking very natural and it's also giving me a little bit of a glow. Okay, so even though the blush kind of gave me a little bit of a glow, I do still want to put on some highlighter, and this is their Day Glow Highlighting Balm, and I got it in the color Cava. Now, this is so gorgeous. You don't have to worry about any chunks of glitter or like blinding highlight. This literally gives you like this natural, healthy looking glow. And I'm just gonna put it on the high points of my cheeks. Just look at that. I'm also gonna put some on the bridge of my nose. I absolutely love how subtle this is. Okay, so for this next product, I'm actually pretty surprised that not a lot of people are talking about this because I really do think that it's a game changer when it comes to natural makeup. And this is going to be their Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. This is the very first time that I have ever used a mascara that doesn't transfer onto my hoods, my hooded lids. So if you have hooded eyes, you know that finding a mascara that doesn't transfer is really, really difficult. And I can wear this one all day and it doesn't do that. It's amazing. I freaking love it. So it doesn't transfer, it doesn't smear, smudge, it doesn't flake. This is like godsend, like seriously. So I'm gonna put it on really quickly and I'll be right back. I just take way too long doing mascara and I don't want to put you guys through that, so I'll be right back. So here are my lashes. They are not over the top, but they are definitely a lot longer. So let's get into lips. Now I absolutely love their lip oils, so I am super curious to try out their new lipsticks. And I got the colors Slip and Baby, but I'm gonna be using Baby today. But here is the swatch of Slip, so that way you can see. I absolutely love how these are just very everyday natural lip colors. All right, let's try it on. I'm just gonna pat it out with my finger. I'm really loving the way that this looks. Okay, so I'm sure you guys have noticed that my lips are not even as far as the color goes. So I like that this is not sheer enough to show how uneven my lips are, but it's pigmented enough just to kind of even everything out. And it still looks so natural. And it looks so soft looking. It's a satin finish, but it just looks so soft and it feels really hydrating. It feels nice. I like this. Okie dokie. So I went ahead and took the clips out of my hair because I realized I don't need them anymore. I really feel like I picked the right color for this natural look. It looks so, so beautiful. And you guys know that Merit Beauty is my go-to for natural makeup. And I'm so excited to be adding these lipsticks into my natural makeup looks. All right, guys. So what do we think about the final look? I hope you guys are loving it just as much as I am. This was super quick, super simple. I am freaking loving it. And I honestly don't even feel like I have makeup on my face. It's awesome. Now, just like in all of my other videos, I do have an affiliate link down in the description box below if you're interested in any of the makeup products that I have used today. So let me know down in the comments below if anything caught your eye. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I do upload every Saturday noon Central Time, so keep an eye out for that. Bye.